Hi, Stacey from Koozai here, and today I'm just going to go through really quickly what e-commerce content is. So essentially, e-commerce content is as simple as being content that's written for the purpose of selling something. So if your website is an e-commerce site, then most of the content on there is likely to be e-commerce content. So just as an example to show you, if we look at the River Island site, which we've got here, there's a paragraph of optimized content around women's dresses. So the aim of this content is not only to be optimized for search, but also to entice visitors to explore their range and to hopefully convert and buy something from them. So when you're writing content for e-commerce, make sure that you're writing for the audience first and not kind of trying to ram in as many keywords as possible. So although that's bad practice anyway, essentially the new helpful content update from Google is beginning to penalize sites which are heavily and overly targeting content. They want you to focus on people first content moving forward. So essentially, our best advice for creating e-commerce content is to keep your target customer at the forefront of your mind at all times. Make sure that you're writing content that is suitable for them and is what they will want to read and what they will want to discover from your site. You do also need to make sure that you're including some keywords within your copy, as you do obviously want that element of search engine optimization. So we're not saying don't do that, but just be writing it for your people first, essentially, is what we're saying. And if you keep it nice and natural, free flowing, good high quality content, then you can't go too far wrong. Thanks.